Welcome. In front of, well, behind me, I have the Marshall Bromley 450, and I'll be going over unboxing as much as I can fit it in here, and just give you a little bit of a sound test of this and give you my thoughts and opinions about it. So let's get to it. Jesus. Oh, there we go. Yeah, like I said, well, this probably wasn't the best idea here, so I'm gonna set it to on the floor and bring it up once I get it out of the box, because boy, oh boy, is this big. That's what she said. Okay. So okay, so at the very top we got this. It's awfully light considering how heavy the box is. And we get our cable. And we get just paperwork. Now I'm not even gonna bother opening that up. Under that we get nothing. Okay. Moving on. We get a lot of cardboard. So eat that. And then the actual speaker, which, how the hell do I want to take it out? Maybe like this. Okay. There we go. Oh boy. Okay. Just set it like so. Zoom out so you can see a little bit more mess here. Cool. And there we go. It's almost fully in the shot. Wow. Like I said, I don't have enough space for this. But anyway, let's just connect it and have a little bit of a listen. Okay, does this have actually built-in battery? Let's check. I don't need to plug it in. Huh, would you look at that? Why didn't I check that from the beginning? So I'm gonna set it up right now to face me. I clearly can see how shit this is, but bear with me, as literally the speaker is right, or microphone is right here, so you basically get the forefront of this. So let's just quickly pair it, which it is on Bluetooth. Details. Nope, that's not it. Pairing. There we go. There we go, it's right up. So in terms of the I/O right here, before I actually start playing anything, I do want to kind of showcase this. We have backlit knobs. So when you start moving them, you can see they are backlit. It is the same thing as the what is it? Acton 2 or 3 that I've had, along with the whatever is the little bit bigger size of it. This is generally really cool that it's backlit. Now we also have volume, bass, treble, and then multiple, or input 1, input 2, and effects. Now let's quickly see what kind of inputs we're looking at other than what's listed right here. So we have Bluetooth, and I can't see at this angle. We have RCA, auxiliary, and USB-C, which I presume are... Oh wow, that's a weird place to put it. Oh. So there we go. So we have all our inputs right here. Now, I'm not sure what that is. Let me just quickly get a look. Oh, we have mic and auxiliary in and auxiliary out, RCA and USB-C. Okay, so obviously this is pretty stacked, and we also have I almost damaged my monitor. Let's quickly fix this though. So right here we have a removable battery. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I want to... That's a cool little battery. So it's almost fully charged. You can charge it through Type-C, which is pretty cool. There we go. So let's give it a listen. I put it all the way in? Nope, I don't think I did. Oh no, I did. There we go, it's on. Kind of like the fact that it has, which, okay, it disappeared, but when you just quickly check this out, so you can see we have a lighting on the front when you boot it up. It looks pretty cool. Other than that, I have no idea what it does, but I presume it might also react to music, so let's quickly get a listen. Now I want to check something. Okay, so just to show this, the knob right here for volume is controlling the phone volume. That's cool. Okay, so let's start off with the usual. Let's also see what we got else. Let's be honest, there could be better things to try out. Let's see. Oh, this is good. Gonna move through it a little bit just because copyright, you know, all that stuff. So. Damn, sounds pretty damn nice. Let's see what else we got. Well, there definitely would be some things that cannot be copyright because they're AI generated. So let's try this. Yep, obviously sounds pretty damn good, but it does have also some size to it, so be prepared to have some space taken with this little bad boy. But hey, it sounds pretty freaking fantastically. Now there's one little thing that I want to check to figure out how the hell do I want to plug in my keyboard. bear with me. Maybe let's move that to the other side. Completely normal, you know, positioning of everything. Okay, so I just checked out the price for this. Let me just try not to damage my monitors anymore. So I checked out the price for this, and it's coming at a price that I would have expected, as it, from what I remember, it basically seems like a competition to, or alternative choice for the Bose S01 Pro Plus, which was basically like a speaker designed for some kind of, you know, live concerts and stuff like that, just, you know, probably a little bit smaller. It was a little bit smaller than what we have right here, and obviously different design because it's Bose, but it seemed like it served the same kind of use case scenario, and the price is about the same. And both of them sounded absolutely phenomenal, and this one does too. So yeah, honestly, for the price, from what I've seen, this kind of quality, it's about the same, so it really could be, you could choose whichever one, and I think both of them would be absolutely fantastic. I do want to mention that this specific thing also has a, I believe, bigger version, the 750. Right, let me quickly check. Yep, wow, that is definitely bigger. That's what she said. And it's also way more expensive. So if this one costed 2,600 PLN, the other one cost 3,900 PLN. So it is definitely more expensive, but in terms of size, it's also way bigger. Bigger battery, most likely, and obviously in terms of loudness, it's going to have an improvement in that too. So if you're looking for something that could be used for kind of like some bigger areas, open ones, and still, you know, put out a decent amount of punch, maybe the 750 could be something that you would be looking for. But like I said, this one still is fantastic. Has a cool little flair with the lighting on it, Marshall vibe to it, lit up buttons right here, or dials, not buttons, and it sounds absolutely great. So yeah, that's about everything that I have to say about it. So if you found this very helpful, even though I'm dealing here with my very limited space, I hope this wasn't really a drawback. I'm trying to deal as well as I can with what I have. I do want to also mention one more thing, which I just noticed. Let me just... I have a mounting right here at the bottom. So you can put it up on some stand. And I didn't mention this, but you've probably seen me use this. We do have a handle on the side. If you ever need to carry it, very solid handle on the side. That's the only handle you get throughout the entire thing, by the way. So yeah. Anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.